Hey everybody. Okay, I am basically ready for bed, but I was making my homemade scouring powder and I thought I would do a quick video to show you guys how I do it. Because let me ask you, do you smell your scouring powder like that? Oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. So this is what I use in combination with the Thieves household cleaner to clean my entire house. Toilets, sinks, everything. And it smells amazing. So all you need is a mason jar, and then you need these little flip tops, which you can get at Target or wherever. And you need baking soda, which I buy these big baking sodas for cleaning purposes on Amazon. I think it's like not even $8, $7.99, something like that. And then you need lemon, lime, and orange. And I was even thinking today when I was making it, I should totally try adding peppermint to see what that smells like too, to kind of like, I don't know, give it a different smell, but it smells amazing. So the actual recipe, which I will post below, I like to print these out because I like to give these as little gifts to people and to new team members. So the recipe is 1/4 cup baking soda and then 1 drop of each of the oils, the lemon, the lime, and the orange. Now, I honestly have been doing it for so long, I just eye it. So in this, I put like probably 8 to 10 drops of each, but I like to smell, like I like it to smell super citrusy. So that's just the way I do it. But seriously, you guys, you can make this and it's like pennies, you know, to make it. And it smells, oh, it smells so good. And when you use it in your sinks and stuff, oh my gosh, your bathroom and your kitchen smell amazing. So super easy, little do it yourself type thing, a little hack with our oils. And obviously the citrus oils have great cleaning power, and so they really help to not only make it smell good, but to help with the cleaning too. So everybody have a great night. Love you guys. Bye.